Hello and welcome to the Siemens Electrification and Automation Global Customer Care Center. Today, we want to show you how to export and send the RIO files to each settings group. The software used for this demonstration are DIG-C4 or DIG-C5. First, create a folder specifically for the settings group to help differentiate and organize the RIO files. This will facilitate easy identification and management of configuration files associated with different settings groups. Now, extract the fault records from the process data and copy them to each settings group folder that was created. Next, export the RIO files separately from the project and save them in the folder created for the settings groups. Ensure each RIO file is placed in its respective settings group folder to maintain organization and streamline access to specific configuration data. Finally, change the name of each RIO file to exactly match the CFG file within its respective settings group folder. This will help in easily distinguishing between the RIO files for each settings group, ensuring consistent organization and efficient retrieval. If you cannot find out by yourself what the problem is and you open a support case to ISP portal to get help, always send all the log files and screenshots of the error messages to the support. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please scan the QR codes to subscribe to our channel. Join us on this journey. There's more pioneering content ahead, crafted to inspire and drive sustainable innovation globally.